food and beverage services and currently working at Bangkar. Her ambition in life is to be a successful businesswoman and own a coffee shop. Her favorite sport is badminton. Our candidate number 1, Elaine B. Santos.
Candidate number 2, Ms. Kashiana Kane Ishiwata. 18 years of age, she takes up BS HRM at Colegio de Calumpit, Bulacan. She plays volleyball, and her ambition is to have her own restaurant or hotel someday.
Okay lang, sige. Protect lang, protect. Exit.
Our candidate number 8 is Shania May Manuel. She's 18 years old and taking up BSIM at La Consolacion University of the Philippines. Her favorite sport is badminton. And her ambition in life is to have a better life and to be able to help her mother. Is candidate number 3, Shania May Manuel.
Smile sa jacket, smile. Exit.
Candidate number 4, Ms. Aubrey Gale Feria. 19 years old, taking up BSBA in Internal Auditing at Far Eastern University. She is also brand ambassadress of FEU Bookstore and Light Skin Philippines. She's into badminton and Muay Thai, and her ambition is to be a lawyer.
Post lang, post lang, post lang. Exit.
Candidate number 6, Ms. Renee Eunicia Mavic. 18 years old, taking up BS Medical Technology at University of Santo Tomas. She's among the top 10 Cynosures Choice and Miss Production number for Bulacan Image Model Search. She plays volleyball, and her ambition is to be a doctor.
Smile sa jacket. Very good. Exit. Very nice, very nice.
Our candidate number 7 is Vanessa Navarro Saliba. 18 years of age and a fourth-year college student at Our Lady of Fatima University. taking up Bachelor of Science in Travel Management. She was the Mutya ng Tanay 2012, Miss Tourism World Rizal, first runner-up, and a Binibining Pilipinas 2014 Miss Marie Soriano, 19 years of age and representing BC Guadalupe. She's a fourth-year mass communication student of San Sebastian College of Manila. She was the Miss Sexy Body of the North 2014 in Pangasinan, Miss Makati second runner-up 2013, and Miss South Sembo 2011. Her ambition is to be a film director someday, and her favorite sport is table tennis. Our candidate number 9, Maricris Soriano.
As the judges, exit.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time.
Our candidate number 10, she's 19 years old, took up hotel and restaurant management at Bulacan State University. She plays badminton and tennis. And her ambition is to build one of the most prestigious restaurants someday. Our candidate number 10, Miss Renzel May Jose.
Pose. Smile sa judges. Very good.
Who can say what your heart says, 'cause your love has only time. And who can say what your heart cries, when your love has only time.
Our candidate number 5, Miss Cherry Rose Fernandez, 24 years of age, and her achievements: a Master in Business Management graduate, Miss UC Baguio 2009, Miss San Antonio Ilocos Sur 2014, Miss Bikini International Candon City first runner-up. She's a graduate of the University of Cordilleras in Baguio City. She works part-time model and a professor. She teaches at the PATS College of Aeronautics. Her ambition in life is to join a national beauty pageant competition. Her favorite sports are taekwondo, trekking, biking, running, and playing basketball.
Very good.
Again, our candidate number 5, Cherry Rose Fernandez.
Poe. 22 years old, took up BS HRIM major in Travel and Tourism Management at the LaSalle College of St. Benilde. She's the Matiana Navatas 2012, Miss Ilocos 2013, and part of the top 10 finalists for Miss Philippines Earth 2014. And she said, "I would rather be poor but useful than rich but useless." Again, candidate number 8, Miss Jenny Louette Alicon.
And to serenade our candidates, let's call on again our super handsome RSO, Mr. John Temporal.
Wow! Gaganda naman nila, para mga mannequins.